Rapunzel Story, Chapter 1. Listen and Practice. The carpenter and his wife. Once upon a time, there lived a carpenter and his wife. More than anything, they wanted a child of their own. At long last, their wish came true. The wife was going to have a baby. From the second-floor window of their small house, the wife could see into the garden next door. Such fine fresh rows of plants and flowers there were. But no one dared to go over the garden wall to see them up close. For the garden belonged to a witch. One day the wife was looking down at the garden from her window. How fresh-looking were those big green heads of lettuce! "It is just what I need to eat," said the wife to her husband. "You must go and get me some." "But we cannot," said the carpenter. "You know as well as I do that the garden belongs to the witch, who lives next door." "If I cannot have that lettuce," said the wife, "I will not eat anything at all. I will die." What could the carpenter do? Late that night, he climbed over the garden wall. With very quiet steps, he took one green head of lettuce. With more quiet steps, he went back over the garden wall. His wife ate up the lettuce right away. But eating the lettuce only made her want more. If she could not have more lettuce, she said, there was nothing she would eat at all. So the next night, the carpenter climbed back over the garden wall. He picked up one more head of lettuce. All at once came a high, loud voice. "Stop! What do you think you are doing?" I'm getting lettuce for my wife," said the carpenter. "You thief!" yelled the witch. "You will pay for this, please," said the carpenter. "My wife is going to have a baby. She saw your lettuce and wanted it so very much. Why should I care about that?" shouted the witch. "I will do anything," said the carpenter. He thought, maybe I can build her something. "You say you will do anything?" said the witch. "Yes," he said. "Fine," said the witch. "Here's the deal. Go ahead, take all the lettuce you want. Your wife will have a baby girl. And when she does, the baby will be mine." "What?" said the carpenter. "I would never agree to that." "You already did," said the witch. And she laughed an evil laugh.